shoot me in the face. That's right. We'll do hand signals. Ah! What's that? JW Meals uploaded the video. What's that? It's Cleo's, bro. What? Oh, lordy, lordy, lord. This time we're trying it with a tow bar. Seriously. One of the sketchiest things. Yeah. I'm trying to brake when just before he brakes, so I'm like the braker and he's the accelerator, but we got a hell of a hill to go up. Come on, Ford Transit. Let's do this. Why is this my life? Bar's so small. Yeah, I much prefer being towed on a rope. Trying to follow this road. This idiot. My gear stick's just gone from solid in the middle to absolute floppy, so I think we've I think she's gone to official hell again. You know what, there's much worse things in life. You know, life's all about experiences. Oh god. We're alright. Cheers, sorry about the show, chaps, ladies. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be letting him do all the braking or I'm supposed to be assisting. Might have just, my towing eye might have just popped out. I'm not sure how well I did on the old controlling of the brake there really, but oh dear. We're nearly back. It was absolutely battering it down a minute ago, hence why I was wearing the hat and the coat, but we're okay.
It is. There we'll park. Yeah, let's just park it next to this one.
Yeah. That's just the side of the gator, that's alright. Let's see, that's a gear. That's a reverse. Right, if that's a reverse. That's like third or something. Funny enough, just after the tow and I popped out the front and then we started again, that's when it just went. I've tried to get this car to a state where it's in a nice condition for the next owner, hoping that obviously a sale would be easy and I have a bit of peace of mind when I pass it on. And we've had some issues. I took Harrison home the other day, which is about 20-25 minutes away from me. I got there, I'd normally turn in, obviously, then reverse back into like a space, and I'll just leave straight out. So I turn into the sort of turning part, almost, into neutral, out of gear, following obviously with the foot on the clutch again, to put it into reverse, and the gear stick was like solid in neutral. No gear, obviously, nothing, just literally in the middle, like here. It was kind of like just there, and it would go ish forward, a little bit back, a little bit side to side, but literally felt as solid as you like. Anyway, on the way home a minute ago, halfway, just after my toe and I popped out the front because I didn't put on very well. I got it in the neck from my dad for that. It sort of dropped and just sort of went. I was like, right. So I didn't know if the knock was that, which is obviously the PMS shifter hitting the side of the bracket, which it doesn't normally do, obviously, when it's actually in place properly. But I don't know if it was that, or the gearbox letting go, or something in the linkage. Maybe that piece where it joins is become loose. I don't know, but I can now select, without lifting this up, that is reverse, because I actually pulled it into this space a minute ago, which means straight down I can't get anything. So reverse up, straight down, nothing. Which means over a tiny bit is second, over a tiny bit more somewhere, not there, that's below fifth. Is that fourth? Yeah, so I feel like I can get second and fourth. Reverse is there, which means slightly over is somewhere first, maybe. Well, that sounds like reverse. Yeah. But I can't go over now. It's hard to work out where gears are when you. I think that was third because I pulled in a minute ago in third, and obviously I can't go over far enough to get fifth. So I feel like it's selecting gears, but why? Why would it lock in neutral? Gearbox just goes solid without no crunch, without any bang, nothing. It just literally, I pulled in, out of first or second, whatever I was in, into neutral, went to go to reverse, nothing, solid. Weird. So this evening, I got straight home, new day, straight home, and wanted to see if I can get underneath the car and see what the linkage was doing, because obviously it went hard, and then we sort of regained some form of gear stick. So now I can have fifth, fourth, third, second, not first. First seems to be blocked, which you have quite a few problems with the PMS shifter trying to find the gear sometimes when you're setting them up, but I can still get reverse, which is definitely reverse because I've just moved it. But then I was trying to find something in between that reverse gear and that third, but it doesn't seem to, but I can't seem to find first. So that's the problem. It will be solved with the first gear issue and someone else can sort it out, and I will just get a lot less money, and that's fine. Proper Halloween-esque, I know. We've left this sort of late, last minute on a Wednesday evening, whatever this is. But the car is sold, I believe. He's coming in a minute. We'll see if it becomes true or not. Obviously, due to recent events, my car is slightly broken, which reflected in the price and the sale and stuff like that, and it's taken a little bit longer than I thought it would, but it is gone. So I'm just sat in now thinking about life a little bit, because 12 old years in this little beauty. But a good time to sell it, I think. Have a little bit of time off from the old cars and just use the work van for a little bit, try and save up a little bit of money. Wedding, honeymoon, another car. It's got to be rear-wheel drive, don't really know what. Any suggestions, leave it down in the comments. I haven't done a video now in hundreds of days, but yes, I've been umming and ahhing over the car for a long time. The time has come to sell it. But I'm pretty sure he worked for or owned a garage, so it makes sense. And he's in Warminster, so I get to see it. I wanted it to go far away so I could just forget about it, but if I ever see it around, yeah, I suppose it might be quite cool. So hopefully he treats it right and keeps it on the road, but it's probably worth a little bit more in parts just. But I still think I've got a fair price for it if he does take it tonight. But obviously a dramatic end to a dramatic 12 years with the gearbox having issues again, but yeah, it is what it is. I think I've enjoyed having it and using it, but now it's, yeah, for something a little bit different. Even if I only keep the next car for a year or two, I think I just want to try something different. Everything that I like this Japanese is well expensive, but maybe with some saving or a cheeky borrow, I could get what I want and just enjoy it for a little bit until life cracks on a little bit. But yes, really, and end of this whole story is I just want to say thank you for watching. If you have been here for a month or years, I appreciate you always watching my videos, and we'll see if I make some more. Been on the edge of, do I fix the car, do I make some more videos? But I think this car's story has come to an end. So thank you for watching. Do make sure you like, comment about what you think I should get next. I'll catch you guys soon. Thanks. Cheers. Bye. Thank you. Go on, give me one. While it goes, give me one.